Welcome to a journey through time and science, as we delve into the complex story of climate change. In today's video, we'll unravel the layers of the Earth's history and the scientific understanding that has led us to the challenges we face today. Our planet's climate has been in a constant state of flux for millions of years. From ice ages to warm periods, Earth's climate has shaped and reshaped the landscapes, influencing the evolution of life itself. The story of climate change begins with the discovery of greenhouse gases. In the 19th century, scientists like John Tyndall and Svante Arrhenius laid the groundwork, recognizing that certain gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, creating a natural greenhouse effect. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, a pivotal point in history. The combustion of fossil fuels led to a surge in greenhouse gas emissions, particularly carbon dioxide. Human activities began to play a significant role in altering the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. In the 1950s, Charles David Keeling pioneered the measurement of carbon dioxide concentrations in the atmosphere. The iconic Keeling curve revealed a steady rise in CO2 levels, providing irrefutable evidence of human-induced climate change. As greenhouse gas concentrations increased, global temperatures began to rise. Glaciers and polar ice caps started to melt, leading to rising sea levels and profound changes in weather patterns. In 1988, the United Nations established the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Composed of leading scientists from around the world, the IPCC evaluates and synthesizes the latest research, providing policymakers with comprehensive assessments of the state of our climate. The impacts of climate change are wide-ranging and profound. From extreme weather events to disruptions in ecosystems, communities around the globe are experiencing the consequences of a changing climate. In response to the challenges posed by climate change, efforts in mitigation and adaptation have gained momentum. Renewable energy sources, sustainable practices, and international agreements aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and build resilience against the changing climate. The urgency of addressing climate change has sparked a global movement. From youth-led protests to international agreements, people worldwide are joining forces to advocate for sustainable practices, environmental conservation, and a collective commitment to safeguarding our planet. As we conclude our exploration of the background of climate change, one thing is clear: this is a story of Earth's past, present, and future. It's a call to understand, adapt, and work together to ensure a sustainable and resilient world for generations to come. Beneath the surface of our vast oceans lies a world of wonder and diversity. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the intricate relationship between climate change and life below water, a delicate ecosystem facing unprecedented challenges. Our oceans are home to a rich tapestry of life, from the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious depths where extraordinary creatures thrive. This incredible biodiversity plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet. Climate change is causing our oceans to warm at an alarming rate. The rise in sea temperatures contributes to coral bleaching, disrupting the symbiotic relationships that sustain these underwater ecosystems. As a result, marine life faces unprecedented challenges in adapting to their changing environments. Another consequence of climate change is ocean acidification. As excess carbon dioxide is absorbed by the oceans, it alters the chemistry of the water, posing a threat to marine life with calcium carbonate shells, including coral reefs, mollusks, and certain plankton species. The warming climate also leads to rising sea levels, impacting coastal habitats and threatening the communities that depend on them. From mangrove forests to vital breeding grounds, these changes disrupt the delicate balance that marine life relies upon. The frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, fueled by climate change, pose immediate threats to life below water. Storm surges, intensified by rising sea levels, can devastate coastal ecosystems and disrupt the intricate web of life within our oceans. Human activities contribute to the degradation of marine ecosystems. Plastic pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction further strain life below water. Climate change exacerbates these challenges, creating a compounding effect on the health of our oceans. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Around the world, individuals, communities, and organizations are actively engaged in marine conservation efforts. From protecting endangered species to implementing sustainable fishing practices, positive initiatives are making a difference in safeguarding life below water. Addressing the impacts of climate change on life below water requires a collective effort. International collaboration, such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14, Life Below Water, plays a crucial role in fostering a global commitment to protect and sustainably use our oceans. Building resilience within marine ecosystems and coastal communities is essential. By implementing adaptive strategies, communities can better cope with the impacts of climate change and work towards a more sustainable coexistence with life below water. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve the incredible biodiversity of life below water. Through understanding, education, and collective action, we can navigate the challenges posed by climate change and ensure a sustainable future for our oceans. Our journey into the depths of the ocean has revealed both the fragility and resilience of life below water. Together, let us strive to make a positive impact, for in protecting our oceans, we safeguard the future of our planet. Our planet is at a crossroads. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's a reality affecting communities, ecosystems, and the very fabric of our world. In this brief video, we highlight the urgency of the situation and the imperative for immediate action. Climate change is manifesting in unprecedented ways. Wildfires rage with greater intensity, floods devastate communities, and polar ice continues to melt at an alarming rate. The signs are clear, and the consequences are upon us. The impacts of climate change are not abstract, they are deeply personal. Communities around the world are facing displacement, loss of livelihoods, and increased vulnerability to extreme weather events, creating humanitarian crises that demand our attention. Time is of the essence. The clock is ticking, counting down the moments we have to reverse the course of climate change. Each passing day without decisive action brings us closer to irreversible consequences. The path forward is challenging, but it's not insurmountable. By acting decisively and urgently, we can forge a sustainable future where the beauty of our planet is preserved for generations to come.